TopTradingEdge folks, today October 15th, Sunday. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what the market look like upcoming week. All right. So right here, this is your daily chart, folks. And I noticed a couple of things and I just wanted to mention here. All right. So folks, here you have to apply your technical fundamental class. Remember this, okay? It's very interesting things are happening around in the market condition here. So as you can see here, these are 50-day moving average, 100-day moving average, 200-day moving average, correct? Whenever they are not nicely lined up, 50, 100, 200, they are looking bullish, right? Beautiful. But now market has been selling off. So what do you see here? Lower low, right? Tops are falling. The bottom is also falling, right? Bottom is rising. No. So what happened is now this top to this top, that was the second. Now again we had a bounce here and we got a rejection. So we created a sloping resistance here. Now we had a second sloping resistance, which is faster track. Whenever I see like this, it's alarming to me. All right, so that's the one part. There's a lot more things, folks, happening in this market. Okay, so be patient here. You know, if you want to pull your popcorn or something, you can please. But I noticed a lot of things happening, and I don't like what I see. But I just want to describe you so you can see what's happening. All right, so but now 50-day moving average right here about to cross 100. What does it mean? That means if that crosses, folks, system triggers, algo triggers also that, hey, there is a 50 days is crossing 100 downward. That means, well, now market is going lower, right? Little lower. That's what it means. Right now, did we cross? Not yet. It could bounce also. Okay, it happened, folks. Okay, so we're gonna nail it down more, that whether it's gonna cross or not, how it does it look like, what is gonna happen. All right, but right now it did not cross. All right, but what do you see here? This point to this point is lower and we got a rejection. So if you apply a supply demand class, so market bounce, we went up, right? We went up, we got a rejection around here at the 100-day 100 SMA right there, and market pull back. Now market try to pull back. Where are we sitting here, folks? We are sitting right here. This is your 431, 432 area right here. This is a strong support. That's where market is around. Look at this support, this support. So these are your demand area, folks. Right here, this is your strong demand area. Okay. Now in this area, either now you have to also remember, folks, there is a strong support coming out all the way from October 22 right here. 22 October, we bounce, we pull back, and then we test this and pull back. March 23, and we went to the moon, and then we pull back, right? So these supports are sloping support, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is the support we broke, and we bounced 200 SMA. And now, right now, we are sitting right at the demand area. So this sloping support, folks, we broke downward, we went up, and we got a rejection. If you apply a supply demand class right here, this is your strong demand area, folks, right here. That's the cluster zone right here. We need a train has to leave the station. So what do you see? What do you mean by Josh, train has to leave the station? So let me explain you. All right. So this is your major sloping resistance. This is your 100 SMA. This is your 450 SMA, and this is your major sloping support right here. And we are in the middle. What does it mean? We are in the middle, folks. That means let the market maker go first. What do you mean let the market maker go first? Because this is the area where I play smalls, and I need to be very careful here. This is your wedge. Let the market. So I don't think this is the choppy area for me, because it could either direction. Now when I would love to go, for me it doesn't matter bullish or bearish, right? I like to go when market maker go. But the cluster where we are at the zone where, you know, do or die situation condition. We are for the bulls and the bear, both are battling right now. Okay, so in this case, if the sloping resistance breaks right here, you see this sloping resistance coming out, that has to break that wedge. So this is your wedge. and this is just sloping support coming out all the way right here, right? That has to broken downward, then you are a bearish. And if you break the sloping resistance, then you are a bullish, right? Because this is your strong support also. We are right here at the demand area, right here where the market is supply demand testing. So these are the area where market is battling currently, folks. All right, so that is the reason I want market maker to go first. So if we break this sloping support right here, folks, we gonna break the 200 SMA and we gonna go down. Okay, this is supply demand class apply, folks. Okay, if we break the sloping support, we're gonna go and break the 200 SMA. Yes, we gonna retest lower than this. Okay, lower than this, and we could go and test this one area somewhere. God knows how far it could go. But first, right now, if we break the sloping support, which is right here around if you see 428, 427, something like that, be careful. Okay, that's what I would tell you. Be careful that area. Okay, right now we have a rejection, 2 strong candles are rejection, but remember Friday option expiry, so market maker wanted to ring the register. That's why we could be bearish right here, and the cloud conditions are horrible right now. This is daily chart, folks. Okay, this is daily chart. It's not a 30 minutes or 2 hours or 45 minutes. This is daily chart. So market most likely, folks, okay, most likely we're gonna go. I do not, when I apply my thesis, right, I do not have a position, folks. Okay, so most likely we are heading lower to test. That's the based off of the cloud conditions, right? And supply demand applies. But if you apply the MACD here, MACD is telling me that they are bullish right here. You see this MACD cross, and MACD already entered into bear territory, and we are trying to exit out of the bear territory to go to the bull territory. That's what the MACD telling, but it's too early. You never know. Market could go create a bearish bullish diversion, and then we could go higher. It can happen, anything like that. Okay, so we'll see. We will see how it unfolds, but most likely, folks, this is the territory where we need to. We are in a critical situation here. Market has a bearishness. Okay, the bids are not there. The bulls are not in control yet completely, because we're in the bear territory. All right, so that's the situation here. Why? Because that 50 trying to cross 100, if we bounce or not. All right, so let's see whatever happens, folks. This week market will decide the direction. I'll be updating, folks. I'm always live every day morning, 9:30 to 4 p.m. So join the Top Trading Edge community on YouTube also, folks. Okay, and I will also analyze Tesla also. Just give me a minute. So right here, if you want to join, folks, live YouTube Top Trading Edge and click on live, or I also post market update video right here. Okay, so join the community, folks, if you want to. All right, so now we're gonna take a look at little smaller time frame. Let's take a look at smaller time frame, see what the market look like smart monies are doing. So when you take a look at 30-minute chart, this is 30-minute charts. Okay, now what I see here is sloping resistance coming out. We market try to bounce, we got a rejection, we had a bearish diversion right here, and that's what we discussed on Thursday also, that market gonna be lower, folks, most likely, correct? And now we are smart money sitting. This is the area where we are sitting right here, 430, folks, 430, right? So similar situation, folks. Market try to poke through, and seller was in control right here, as you can see. That's why we keep MACD lower, low, right? But if you notice here, MACD is all the way here at the bottom area. So MACD, if the MACD bounce, MACD can bounce, yeah, then it's good if they go higher. If they want to go lower, then MACD doesn't have much room. I mean, it does have, it could go lower right here. It has oscillators too. This is 30 minutes. Okay, I'm not applying daily chart, folks. Okay, I'm not applying. This is just a shorter time frame. The cloud conditions are bearish here, right here, but the MACD over here keeps testing the support right here, trying to bounce. That's what it looked like here. So we'll see, maybe in a couple of days, one day, 2 days, something like that, we'll come to know. If anything I notice, I'll make the video and we'll do that again. But this is the area we got to be very careful on Monday, Tuesday time. So particularly the situation, the way the setup is. Okay, let's see tomorrow what happens, folks. Okay, tomorrow see what happens. But market got a little showed up the weakness, but sometimes it's just because Friday they have to, option expiry, and if they go lower they make more money. That could be another case too. So that is the reason. So now they might create a more bear trap somewhere and then go U-turn. Why, folks? Anything possible. Okay, we need to go one step at a time how market maker rolls out. All right, so this is shorter time frame. Also, critical junction right here. This is just smart monies are sitting 430 area. So we need to see this wedge created. You see this wedge in between here we are playing. Okay, so same stuff here too. Okay, we need to wait for market maker to decide in this. This is going to be squeezed somewhere here, and we're gonna break the wedge downward, or we're gonna break the wedge upward, either one of them. Most likely, if you supply demand class applies, we are at the demand area right there. You see this? Look at that. This is your right here. We got a rejection, we bounced, so lower low. Look, this is your lower low, and this is your right here. From this point we got a lower low. Right now we're trying to bounce higher high. So let me see where I want to see how far it could bounce. This is just sloping support coming out right here. So we're gonna bounce from here, then it will create a higher high. If this bounce, then definitely we're gonna poke through the 438 and we're gonna go to 445. But do I have a bounce here yet? No, I don't see the bounce, so I'm not gonna go. Right now we are in a bear territory. I mean, we are in a bearish cycle if you look at the shorter time frame, right? And that's why we want to watch, because Friday was option expiry. That could be one of the reasons we were bearish. So it's right now it just is, you see even supply demand class 30-minute you apply, it's the same category we are. So we have to wait here. Okay, most likely, folks, we need to wait and see whatever it happens. Has a weakness. Okay, that's what it looks to me yet. We'll see. Now let's take a look at the Tesla, folks. Okay, a lot of people always want for Tesla. So let me look at Tesla. Oh, wow. Tesla cross 50, SMA cross 100 right there downward. And remember I said Tesla, folks, not looking good. Bull side and bear side. I said 2-3 weeks ago right here too, that conditions are not the best condition. Look what market doing. Did we go anywhere, folks? No, we are right at the 250, between 270 and 240 range, right? That's where we are ping-ponging in between. So these are the best for the, if anybody did the iron condor here, would be the best strategy. Anyway, now let's understand, look at the what Tesla is doing. Over oscillator is 0, right? No good. Plus lower low right here. So lower low, lower high, lower low. Now market created lower low, and we bounce, and we got a rejection right here. So whenever market create a rejection here, lower low, folks, right here. Okay, so tops are falling. So what does it mean? The tops are falling, cloud condition horrible. So look at that, and then the bullish clouds are here, and we are in the middle of the cloud. This is your support area. So market gonna go and test a 240. That's what it looks like. Conditions are deceptive here on Tesla, folks. Okay, why? Because look, you have the bull cycles, oscillator 0, anything can happen, and squeeze coming in means they're gonna look like going down, and immediately you're gonna see a green. It look like immediately going up, and you're gonna see a red candle. That's a deceptive setup right now. Here it is. So why? Because Tesla has a solid demand area here, 240. Most likely Tesla wants to go lower, folks. The setup look like is lower. Okay. But that's the supply. That's the demand supply. Means it takes a long period of time to build that. So Tesla has a weakness is showing me here. So be careful with the way the setup look like, right? That could be a weakness. Okay. But 240. If the 240 breaks, then we're gonna go and test 212. And most likely what I just gave you heads up is 50 and 100 cross. So longer term, Tesla got a little weakness coming in. Okay, right here. So we might go and test lower also, folks. I just want to give you heads up. Okay, it's up to you, whatever you guys decide. But right now, Tesla created, look, this bounce, and then we pull back. When we pull back, lower low, right? This point to this point is higher. So this is bullish. And then we got a rejection from lower low, lower high. this point to this point of rejection. That means we want to break lower. So this demand can flip to 40 and we could go lower. Okay, that's what it folks. I'm not a bullish, I'm not bearish, I don't have any positions. Okay, so don't hit me. But what I see right now here, that's what I see, and that's what I said. I don't like, but I see a squeeze here. Look at that, bullish, cloud is bullish, squeeze coming in, MACD trying to cross down, so that's why, man, over here, look at no volume, nothing, deceptive, folks. No volume, nothing, is all deceptive, correct? Anything can happen. Look like bearish, 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 and then bounce because of the clouds are bullish right there. Okay, so and sideways, so this is you again same, just like market first, market first, market first. Market is also in a territory where bulls are not excited and bears are also, so it's not altogether great setup. So I would love to be on a side, folks. All right, let's take a look at the Apple. Wow, man, Apple just entered into bull territory. Volumes are bullish. Look at the squeeze coming in. Apple looking bullish, right? Look at that. Wow. But what do you see? We got a rejection Apple right here at the rejection. So Apple could go and pull back. So Apple was bullish, MACD, but there is a rejection coming in. So Apple could go and test the, right now it's 180, right? Somewhere around that. So Apple could go and test the 173 area, folks, right there. 174, 175, Apple could go and test. Look at the bears are in control on Apple. Look at the clouds are too. So Apple not looking good so far. All right, so once we bounce from here, then we'll see. But I don't like Apple, what I see here. I did not like. Let me look at the Microsoft. All right, Microsoft bears are giving up. So maybe right now we're in the middle of the cloud. So sideways choppy. Microsoft is, look at the volumes are coming in slowly. Same thing. 341 is your resistance, and we are sideways. Nothing, no excitement right now. Okay, Microsoft was bullish here. We did that bounce, but now we are in the middle of the cloud. So this is the area we'll be spending. 341 and 321, $20 range. We're gonna ping pong for some time until market condition change. Okay, so we are in between here. Okay, the bear clouds are giving up, but we are in the middle of the cloud, so we little sideways. We got to give some time on this one. Okay, what else we can look into, folks? We can look into the gold probably. Let's see gold, if people are looking at it. Don't have much time to make the video. We got to finish the video faster. So right here, sloping resistance, golds are all right. So gold bounce because of the Middle East situation right there. 200 SMA rejection, folks. Gold is in a trouble, but we just gotta bounce, right? We have a 200 rejection, and gold is consolidating at 19 area, right? 1900 right here. Okay, it's not the best, but right now we just got a good bounce here. So if gold looking right now, all right, let me explain you what I see gold. You see, this is your supply. So market could go and test the supply, this area, which is around here, 1960, and then we need to see rejection or not. But right now, bulls are in control. It bouncing. 1959 is a supply. This should be exit zone. Several times we got a rejection there, that side. So 1960 area. Okay, that's what the gold look like. All right, so let's make a small video. Don't want to go too long video. But if anything, we will be live tomorrow morning, 9:30, and we can analyze a lot of stuff, folks, while market is live. All right, so don't expect much, folks, on the market. Let me go back to the here. I don't expect much right now on these cycles. We are a little bit, maybe we're gonna pull back and then bounce something. We'll see. All right, so things not looking great. That's what I would say. All right, so see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30. If you want to join the WhatsApp group also, folks, right here. These are the classes we offer, folks. If you like to educate yourself, join TopTradingEdge Academy. Learn every day live, folks. Morning 9:30 to 4. Right here is the code. You can scan this. You can open your camera and you can scan this. Also, there is a description. You can click on more, and there's a link. You can join the WhatsApp group if you want to join. All right, absolutely welcome. It's free, folks. Okay, you can join the group where I post my trades. I do, live trading right there every day. 7 hours. You see this, 7 hours, 7 hours, 7 hours every day, live, free of charge. You can join on Top Trading Edge tomorrow morning, 9:30 to 4. All right, see you guys tomorrow morning then. Thanks. Bye.